Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the workbook where link sharing is supported: OneDrive, SharePoint, or Google Drive. This matters because links depend on cloud permissions. Once the file is uploaded, open it in Excel for web or desktop. Make sure you are signed in with the account that controls access. Next, inspect the workbook for sensitive data and either delete it or protect the sheet. Do this now, because a shared link replicates whatever is present at the moment, so prepare the content before generating the link. Once done, click Share in the ribbon or Web UI and pick Link Settings. Choose anyone, people in organization, or specific people depending on the audience. This decides who can open the link. Then select Permission, edit if collaborators will change cells, view if read-only. Make sure to set optional controls like expiration date or password to limit access. After confirming settings, copy the generated link. If you'll distribute several files, adjust the parent folder permissions so future links inherit the correct access level. Now send the link through email or chat and clearly state whether recipients have edit rights and any deadlines. Clarity prevents accidental edits. Make sure to monitor activity, use version history and sharing logs to track edits and restore earlier versions if needed. If someone reports access problems, first confirm their account type and whether link settings restrict them, then reset the link or change permissions. As a fallback, re-upload a sanitized copy and create a fresh link to avoid lingering permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.